Hello everyone, welcome back to another SQL tutorial. In this lesson, we will talk about null values in SQL. Null is used to represent missing or unknown data in a table. Let's get started. What are null values in SQL? In SQL, a null value means that a field has no data. It is not zero and not an empty string. It simply means that the value is unknown or missing. How to check for null values? To find null values in SQL, we use the isNull condition. To find records where a value is not null, we use isNotNull. Basic syntax. Select column 1, column 2 from table name where column 1 is null. Select column 1, column 2 from table where column 1 is not null. Demonstration using the Northwind database. Example 1. Select customer with no contact name. Select customer name, contact name from customer where contact name is null. This is return customers where the contact name is missing or unknown. Example 2. Select orders with a noun order date. Select customer name, contact name from customers where contact name is not null. This will display customer where the contact name is not missing or unknown. Conclusion. Null values are common in databases and it's important to know how to find and handle them. In the next lesson, we'll learn about the update statement which is used to modify existing data. See you there!